Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to redeem Roblox gift code. I wonder why you want to know how to redeem Roblox gift code. Maybe because you have purchased a gift card for yourself and now you don't know how to get Robux from that card and you're trying to figuring out how you can get the Robux from that card. Or there could be any other reason for you to get to know how to redeem a Roblox gift code. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can redeem a Roblox gift code. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Roblox app. In case you have not installed it yet, you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. And you also have to make sure that you have already purchased a Roblox gift card. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. The app will just take a while to open and load its all content, and once it done you will be able to see its interface. So this is how the app looks. At the top right you could see we have three options. If you tap onto the middle one you will be able to see different offers through which you can purchase Robux. But here unfortunately we don't have any option through which you can redeem a Roblox gift code. For that reason, you have to get back and open a browser. You can go with any browser of your choice. I'm going with a Google Chrome. Once the Google Chrome open, on the search bar, you have to specifically search for roblox.com/gift cards. Make sure you go with the same links so that you could end up on the right website. So this is the right website by Roblox. Here you could see the icon of the Roblox app and this option redeem card. Simply tap onto that option and here you will land. It says redeem Roblox gift codes. So if you have a physical card, then you have to look at the back side of it. There's a scratch option, scratch, and you will find a code here. Just simply write that code here. But if you have a virtual card like me, then you have received the code somewhere. Just copy that code and paste it here. Once you paste that code, now you have to just scroll down and tap onto this redeem option. It will just take a while to redeem that code, and now it's done. Simply get back to the app, open the app. Once the app gets open, just give it a refresh and then you will have your Robux that you have received by redeeming your Roblox code. Now, if you want to purchase anything from that Robux that you have got by redeeming the code, you can go to marketplace. There's number of things available you can purchase and enjoy the app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can redeem Roblox code. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.